V-belts are the most popular and efficient means of power transmission in industrial and automotive applications. These belts are named for their cross-sectional shape or profile and characterized by basic parameters such as top width, height, included V angle, and circumferential length. A variation on V-belts, poly V-belts, also known as micro V, multiple V, and V-ribbed belts, are characterized by many micro V grooves on the driving side of the belt, or the side in contact with the pulleys. These belts replace the conventional classical V and wedge-type V belts in many applications due to its improved flexibility, higher power transmission capacity, and longer life. Poly V belts are used in front-engine accessory drives in automotive applications, home appliances such as washing machines and vacuum cleaners, and industrial applications like compressors and lathes.